Hi guys, today is my birthday and my mom is gonna ask me some questions.
Okay guys, so na ako'y question sa among Kuya RB. Dali ya. Kailan question si mama? So, today is your birthday. Unsa man ang imuhang i-pray kay God, no? As your prayer.
Protection and wisdom.
Okay.
Sorry.
Protection and wisdom daw. Protection for what? Protection for what? Family. And then wisdom for what? Dali, istorya sa ko. Ha? Wisdom for
School.
Oh, nganong inana man ang imuhang prayer kay God? Protection and family man. Protection for family and wisdom for school. Nganong man?
Para
Why?
maka-pass ko sa para maka-pass ko sa mga grades.
Okay. Protection sa family, nganong kana man ang imuhang pray kay God?
Okay, I just want my family.
Happy ka sa imong family? Happy ka
So,
happy ka nga nasiliklik?
No.
Why? Nganong nagnono na nga? Uy, we love family. We love liklik.
Okay, so we're done talking.
Okay guys, para to guys.
So we're done talking that question. So guys, guess what year old am I?
Okay.
Wait,
And then-
no. Wait, guess what grade am I? Not that year old.
And
So
then,
I'm gonna say that at the end of the video. So good luck.
and then if they guess your grade, unsa may reward? Nothing. Okay guys, guess ninyo ang grade ni RB. So,
So
okay, good luck and thank you.
guys, so it's my turn to ask question to my mama.
Nabalusan ko guys. Question. Sige, question me.
Okay, so what year were you born in?
It's so easy.
What?
What year?
You were born.
Okay, what year? Okay. I born on 1989.
Oh my. That means so you're so old.
Sige na, ito na tayo. Let's
No,
go.
no, no. I'm
Let's go
not
namin,
done
guys.
yet.
Ito namin sa inside guys, sa store guys.
Okay. So my grade was okay. So you guys. Okay, so bye. Like and subscribe.